my channel. It's me Anurag Pandey and you are watching YouTube. So we are somewhere. Watch the vlog and you will know where we are. It's 13 November today. Let's start.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
We were there and from there we are here and going more up. Let's go. Sun is twinkling. It's amazing. It's our group. Oh, here our group. They are going front and I'm back. The way is totally just turning and turning and turning. But I love the way. We're enjoying the road and riding on this road. It's amazing. Hey kids, hello. So we have reached Jordhara and it's take us 1 hour from Bairwa, around 45 minutes. We wasted 15 to 20 minutes on road while waiting for our friend. This type of, what is this called, van are running here. This go to Palpa, to Butwal to Palpa. This is local one. Dhanna Hotel, Jordhara. It's amazing. All guys are hanging out here. We are taking Chukoni, Batuk, and here we're all the cooked. So they are packing all the items in these slips like this. This is Save Nature, okay? Bachas are waiting for their snacks. See how these guys are standing and waiting. See. So this is back view from the restaurant. We are at Jordhara and the view is great. There is a river flowing down there. It might be Tinau Khola or what. So now we have planned to not eat the snacks here. We will take the snacks to the river, at the river bank, and go and eat there. So let's go. So we were walking through this and scooty was bouncing very much. Sudin is coming. See how the scooty is bouncing. So we are here at the bank of the river and we have all the snacks and we are moving towards the river. The sun is shining and the wind is blowing. It's mind-blowing. It's always amazing to come place like this. Ah ha 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 ha. Woo! So guys, give us out. No one is interested because they all are thinking how to cross the river. Sudhin is instructing them, and the river flow. The scenery is also amazing, and the view is amazing. The wind is amazing. It amazing? Yes, it is. Wow. With this batuk and chukoni, it's amazing. I have changed the dress. Actually, I have opened the jacket only because it was totally gulo, sand. And now I'm going to wash my hands and face. Let's go. So in the water. Oh, the water is very, very cold. Woo! So we are here to unbox the snacks. This is my first unboxing video. So let's see what we have. The packing is great, huh? So we have some leaves. We can't throw it. And some shells. It is shell roti. And this is chukoni. This is batuk, pakodi, and as always our favorite drink, fruity, but this is not fruity, this is good life. I've already served the snacks and now we will take it. So let's start. So how's the taste, Sudhin? Is it amazing? Amazing, Bawal. Apsara?
Nice.
So you have to just take the batuk and dove in the chutney and have it.
A few moments later.
Now we are ready to go back. Here all are gearing up. I mean wearing helmet, mask. So let's go. River, we gonna miss you. You gave us lots of enjoyment. But this road, it's terrible. See how the mountains are lightning. Amazing. So now here we are at Bhut Khola. The place is called. It is on the way while going toward Palpa, just 5 kilometers far from Butwal. So let's go and see how the Bhut Khola is. So this is Bhut Khola. You know why the place is known as Bhut Khola? Because there are lots of ghosts. This is very deep. Anybody go there, die. That's why the place is known as Bhut Khola. Are enjoying photo shoot. Here is Bisal. He is waiting for photo shoot. And as well, the jharna is flowing.
Now we are going to our next destination. Let's go.
We have parked our bike there and now we are going to Siddhababa. Har Har Mahadev, Bam Bam Bole.
Go Siddhababa.
Get the blessings from Shankar Bhagwan and now we are watching the view. We were somewhere there. From that road we came here and now we have to go by this road. You can see some jharna also there. There is the river which we were visited last week. See the dam which you can't see from here, but you can see in my vlog, the last vlog. We are in that dam, so you can see it in my vlog. Okay, go and watch it also. So we have done, and now we are going back. Now we will directly go to Butwal, and from there we will drop one of our friend, and then Bhairava. So let's go. The highway is quite busy and it's beautiful also. So the another stop is our at Butwal traffic chowk. We are having hot coffee. So he is filling petrol at the petrol pump while going back to Bhairava. This road is evergreen Deepavali, isn't it? Yeah, it feels always like Diwali while coming here to this road. So I would like to end my vlog here. As always, enjoy your life, be must, be motivated, keep watching. Happy Diwali everyone! Enjoy!